Yeah, man, it's been non-stop talking about these levels. Why does he care so much about these levels, man? I don't get it. They're just levels.
Hey, I can hear y'all talking, and by the way, they're not just levels, all right? They're Stabilas. Hi, I'm Jaime Perkins. Today we're going to bring to you the unexpected third and final chapter of the Stabila Warranty story. It's been a long day. It's pretty hot today. I bet you thought it was over when I slung my level across this job site in disgust and disappointment. But just like any good movie series, you know it can't be over when the good guy appears to die at the end of the second film. You know there's more, and guess what? There is more, let me tell you. Anyhow, I wasn't really that mad about the level thing. I just had to do something outrageous for dramatic effect. You know, it's no big deal. Oh, I'm sorry, little level. I didn't mean to throw you like that. I just got upset, but you'll still be my little level from here on out. All of our houses will just be built crooked, I guess. So let me break it down, what happened before, you know? Basically, I sent my damaged level to the warranty center at Stabila. They sent it back to me directly. Still damaged, not repaired, not replaced, no phone call, no offer of a new level for free or even a discounted new level. What? They just simply mailed it back to me and left me to pick up the pieces. So what's a guy to do? I mean, you know, dang. Well, I did what anybody would do. I went online, I started searching for a deal on a new Stabila. And not just one Stabila, but a Stabila set. I found this awesome 1889 series. It's a special edition, kind of like a collector's edition or something, they said. So I went to bed feeling pretty good, you know. I knew that my new levels were coming. I kind of felt like everything was gonna be okay, you know. Well, guess what? The next morning, to my surprise, Eric had been on the phone with Stabila on his drive to work. And guess what they said? They said, hey, we saw your video and we made a mistake. You know, it seems like there was a point in time when I was opening my level when I said, hey, they must have made a mistake. They must have made a mistake. No! So what really happened? Well, the guy at Stabila said I was not supposed to have just simply received my level back in the mail. What was supposed to happen is that they were supposed to call me and say, yes, Mr. Perkins, we have your level. It is damaged, we cannot repair it, and we will offer you a discount on a new level. That's what they normally do. And now, why didn't that happen to me, you might ask? Well, the reason it didn't happen is because there's a new person in the warranty department and they didn't know, or something like that. They simply did not do what they normally do. So what did they say they were gonna do to make it right? Well, they said they were gonna send me a new free 48-inch level, which was the exact same thing I had before.
That better be a really nice level is all I gotta say.
And I thought that was fair. I thought that they were being very fair to offer me a free level because I would have really only received a discounted level if I had just received the phone call telling me that it was damaged. Not only did they send me the one free level, they actually felt so sorry for me that they sent me a set of 3. All right, let's show you the goods. Right here, we got the 48-inch level, brand new. Smells like a new level. Boom! Little baby Torpedo level. And lastly, in the set of 3 here, this 24-inch level. Beautiful, beautiful level. I'm stoking, no joking. So let me say thank you to Stabila for sending me a new level set. I think you guys did an excellent job of making it right, and I believe that they would have done that for anybody that called them and said, hey, what happened? Hey, whether you sent me a new level or not, I'm still a Stabila guy anyway, because I had already gone online and bought more of them, just because I really like them. I think they're the best. All right, I'm getting kind of tired. Can we finish this up? All right, let's open the box. It's Jono. I'll call him back in a minute. I'm doing something important. Okay. Well, here's the box. Look at this. Lifetime warranty on aluminum spirit levels sur les niveaux aluminium niveles brillo aluminio. That's what it says.
All right.
All right, here we go. All right, more packaging. Level. Ooh, wow, look at that. Wow. It's kind of a different shape.
Yeah, it's not.
It's actually kind of, I think it's a little thinner.
It is.
Yeah.
It's almost like Arlo's old level.
It's like kind of slick and smooth, actually. That's cool. Let's see what else is in here. Look at that, little baby. Man, I actually really like that.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's feel how light it is. Super light, actually. And this guy is a little
Larger
16.
than your normal torpedo.
And I think there's one more. Oh, there is. Oh. Ah!
This packaging.
Okay.
Whoa!
This wins the award for the shortest level that I've ever seen.
Never seen a level like that.
Now, I'm not sure what this one's really good for.
Does it have a magnet?
I don't know. Let's see here. Nope, no magnet. I don't know. Maybe you just put that one in your pocket just to impress your friends. It's pretty cool anyway, though. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. Now, I got 2 sets of levels. I already got some other levels in the truck, right? I think these are gonna be yours, buddy.
Oh man.
Yep, you get it, the whole kit. Just take it.
Thanks, man.
It's yours to have and to hold and to level things. So, treat them well. Well, Ray, one thing's for sure. If we get caught building anything out of level on the job, we're gonna be in big trouble.
Big trouble.
Yeah. So what is this for again?
I have no clue, man. It's a little bitty though.
It
Maybe it
is.
grows into like a full-size level eventually.
Yeah.
We're gonna put this in water overnight and see if it swells up into a longer level. You know, when you're setting up your camera for a video, it's super important to get your camera stand level.
There you go. I like
Hello.
that.
You could just put it in your pocket
I think it's a pocket level.
and carry it around everywhere you go.
I think that's what it's for.
And when you're at lunchtime, you're like, hey guys, I bet you don't have one of these.